संगच्छध्वं संवदध्वं संगच्छध्वं संवदध्वं संवो मनांसि जानता संवो मनांसि जानता देवाभागं यथा पूर्वे देवाभागं यथा पूर्वे संज्ञानाना उपासते संज्ञानाना उपासते संज्ञानाना उपासते संज्ञानाना उपासते संज्ञानाना उपासते संज्ञानाना उपासते.
Neck movements. Forward and backward neck bending. Caution: avoid this practice in case of severe cervical spondylitis. Start with alert posture samsthiti. Stand with feet 2-3 inches apart. Keep the hands straight beside the body. Now, keep the hands on the waist. While exhaling, move the head forward slowly and try to touch the chest with the chin. As you inhale, bring the head to the center position. While exhaling, move the head backward comfortably. Bring the head to the center position. This is 1 round. Repeat for 1 more round. Right and left neck bending. Caution: do not overstrain during this practice. While exhaling, bend the head slowly to the right and bring the ear as close as possible to the shoulder without raising it. Experience stretching on the left side. As you inhale, bring the head to the center position. While exhaling, bend the head slowly to the left side. Experience stretching on the right side. Inhale and bring the head to the center position. This is 1 round. Repeat for 1 more round. Right and left neck twisting. Caution: do not jerk the neck. Keep the head upright. While exhaling, gently turn the head to the right so that the chin is in line with the shoulder. As you inhale, bring the head to the center position. While exhaling, gently turn the head to the left. Feel or experience stretching on the right side. Inhale and bring the head to the center position. This is 1 round. Repeat for 1 more round. Neck rotation. Caution: people with neck pain and cervical spondylosis, do this practice carefully. Exhale. Bend the head forward, trying to touch the chest with the chin. Inhale slowly. Rotate the head clockwise in a circular motion. And exhale while coming down. This is 1 round. Repeat for 1 more round. Then rotate the head in an anti-clockwise direction. Inhale, go back, exhale, and come down. This is 1 round. Repeat for 1 more round. Inhale and bring your head to the center position. Exhale. Bring the arms down and relax. Shoulder movements. Shoulders and arms movement. Caution: frozen shoulder patients should do this practice carefully. Start with alert posture, samsthiti. Stand with feet 2-3 inches apart. Place the hands by the sides. Keep the fingers together, pointing downwards. While inhaling, move both the arms from the sides up above the head, with the palms facing outward. Exhale and bring them down. This is one round. Repeat for one more round. Shoulder rotation. Stand straight. Inhale and raise both the arms up to shoulder level by the sides. Bend the arms at the elbows. Place the fingers on the respective shoulders. Try to touch the elbows in front of the chest and then rotate both the elbows and shoulders in a circular manner. This is one round. Repeat for one more round. Inhale while raising the arms and exhale as you bring them down. Repeat the same in a reverse manner for 2 times. Inhale while raising the arms and exhale as you bring them down. Now inhale and stretch the elbows by the sides. Exhale, bring the arms down and relax. Knee movement. Caution: in case of arthritis and obesity, do this practice carefully. Start in an alert posture. Then keep the feet 1 foot apart. Inhale. Move the arms up the shoulder level from the front, with palms facing downwards. Exhale. Bend the knees and bring down your body to the half squatting position. In the final position, both the arms and thighs should remain parallel to the ground. Come back as you inhale. This is one round. Repeat for one more round. Come back with inhalation. Slowly return the arms as you exhale and bring the feet together. Relax. Ankle movements. Benefits. The exercise relieves rheumatism of the ankles and strengthens the toes and the feet. Caution: avoid this practice in case of acute conditions of arthritis. Ankle stretch. Stand straight with the feet few inches apart. Place the hands on the waist. Inhale. Lift your right foot up to at 9 inches off the ground. Now, stretch the ankle joint forward and backward. Repeat 2 more times. Bring the right foot down. Now repeat with another foot. Inhale. Lift your left foot up to at 9 inches off the ground. Now stretch the ankle joint forward and backward. Repeat 2 more times. Bring the left foot down. Release the hands and relax. Ankle rotation. Stand straight with the feet few inches apart. Place the hands on the waist. Inhale. Lift your right foot up at 9 inches off the ground. Slowly rotate the right foot clockwise 3 times. Now, repeat the rotation in anti-clockwise 3 times. Bring the right foot down. Now repeat the same practice with another foot. Inhale. Lift your left foot up at 9 inches off the ground. Slowly rotate the left foot clockwise 3 times. Now repeat the rotation anti-clockwise 3 times. Bring the left foot down. Release the hands and relax. Surya Namaskar, Sun Salutation. Surya or Sun is the source of energy to all the living beings on this planet Earth. Surya Namaskar is the set of 7 yogic poses performed in 12 steps in the early morning to refresh and energize the body and mind for the day activity. It is being practiced as part of yoga sadhana or practice over the centuries for healthy living. Benefits: it helps to increase the flexibility, lungs capacity, strength, endurance, and develop a healthy spine. It makes the mind alert and fresh. Caution: avoid during spinal injury. Practice it as per need and capacity. Girls should avoid during the menstrual periods. Starting position: Samasthiti. Stand upright with feet together and arms by the side of the body. Balance the body equally on both feet. Inhale. Raise both the arms up and join the palms together. Exhale. Bring them in front of the chest as in Namaskara Mudra or prayer position. Hastotthana Asana. Inhale. Raise both the arms up, keeping the arms close to the ears. Stretch the body as much as possible and bend the trunk backward without bending the knees. Padahastasana. Exhale. Bend forward from the lowermost part of the spine and base of the buttocks. Place hands on the floor by both sides of the feet. Try to touch the knees with forehead without bending the knees. Ashwasanchalanasana. Inhale. Take the right leg backward as far as possible. Bring the right knee to the floor. Keep the left foot on the floor between the palms. Arch the spine back and look up. Parvatasana. Exhale. Take the left leg back. Lift the hips and tailbone up and lower the head and chest downwards in an inverted V posture. Keep the head between the arms and soles touching the ground. Ashtanga Namaskarasana. Breathe normally. Lower the knees, chest and chin to the floor. In the final position, only the toes, knees, chest, hands and chin should touch the floor simultaneously. The buttocks and abdomen should be raised. Bhujangasana. Inhale. Lower the hips. Raise the head up and push the chest up. Raise the trunk up to the navel with spine arched back. Keep palms on the ground and bend backwards. Parvatasana. Exhale. Lift the hips up and lower the head and chest downward in an inverted V posture. Keep head between the arms and soles on the ground. Ashwasanchalanasana. Inhale. Bend the right leg and bring it forward. And keep the right foot on the ground between the arms. Keep the left leg backward with left knee touching the ground. Arch the spine back and look up. Padahastasana. Exhale. Bring the left leg forward beside the right foot. Place both palms beside outer sides of the feet on the ground and head touching the knees. Hastotthana Asana. Inhale. Raise arms and torso. Take the arms straight above the head and bend the trunk backwards as much as possible. Namaskar Asana. Exhale. Come to the straight position. Slowly bring the arms down and join the palms in front of the chest as in Namaskar Mudra or prayer position. Bring the arms down and relax. Tadasana. Palm tree posture. Tada means palm tree or mountain. This asana teaches one to attain stability and firmness and forms the base for all the standing asana. Benefits. This asana brings stability in the body, helps to clear up congestion of the spinal nerves and corrects faulty posture. Caution. Avoid lifting the toes in case of acute cardiac problems, varicose veins and vertigo. Alert posture. Stand with feet 2-3 inches apart. Place the hands by the sides. Inhale. Lift the arms to the shoulder level from the front and interlock the fingers. Exhale. Turn the palms outwards. Now inhale and stretch the arms over your head. Raise the heels off the floor and balance on the toes. Maintain the final position for 3 to 5 breaths with body awareness. Bring the heels down. Release the interlock of the fingers. Exhale. Bring the arms down by the sides and come back to the starting position. Relax. Vrikshasana. Tree pose. Vriksha means tree. The final position of this asana resembles the shape of a tree. Benefits. Vrikshasana enhances balance and stability, which is beneficial for overall condition. This pose strengthens the legs, core and back muscles, contributing to better posture and alignment. Caution. Individuals with knee, ankle or hip injuries should avoid this pose. Stand in alert posture and focus on a point in front. Exhale. Move the right leg up and place the foot on the inner side of the left thigh. The heel should be in contact with the perineum. Inhale. Extend the arms up and join the palms together in Namaskar Mudra. Maintain the final position for 3 to 5 breaths with body awareness. Exhale. Bring the arms down. Release the right leg and bring it to the starting position. Repeat on the other side. Exhale. Move the left leg up and place the foot on the inner side of the right thigh. The heel should be touching the perineum. Inhale and extend the arms up, bringing the palms together in Namaskar Mudra. Maintain the final position for 3 to 5 breaths with body awareness. Exhale. Bring the arms down. Release the left leg and bring it to the starting position. Relax. Padahastasana. The hands to feet posture. Pada means feet. Hasta means hands. Therefore, Padahastasana means taking the palms down towards the feet. This is also referred as Uttana Asana. Benefits. This asana makes the spine flexible, improves digestion and helps in overcoming menstrual problems. Caution: avoid this practice in case of cardiac disorders, vertebral and disc disorders, abdominal inflammation, hernia and ulcers, glaucoma, myopia and vertigo. Note: those who are suffering with stiff back should bend according to their capacity. Assume standing position with feet 2 inches apart. Inhale slowly. Raise the arms upward from the front and stretch up the body from the waist. Exhale and bend forward at the level of the hip joint until both the palms rest on the ground. Stretch the back to make it as straight as possible. Maintain the final position for 3 to 5 breaths with body awareness. Slowly inhale and come up to the upright position while stretching the arms above the head. Exhale slowly. Bring down the arms and return to the starting position. Relax. Trikonasana, the triangle posture. Trikona means triangle. Tri means 3 and kona means angle. As the asana resembles the shape of a triangle made by the trunk, arms and legs, this asana gets the name Trikona Asana. Benefits: this asana makes the spine flexible, strengthens calf, thigh and waist muscles, and improves the capacity of lungs. Caution: avoid this posture if you have slipped disc or sciatica. Avoid this posture after undergoing an abdominal surgery. Do not try beyond limits and overdo the lateral stretch. If you cannot touch the feet, you can reach for the knees instead. Assume the alert posture and step the feet 3 feet apart. Inhale and raise both the arms from the sides up to the shoulder level with palms facing outwards. Turn the right foot towards the right side. Exhale. Slowly bend to the right side and place the right hand just behind the right foot. Turn your head and gaze at the tip of the left middle finger. The left arm is straight in the line with the right arm. Maintain the final position for 3 to 5 breaths with body awareness. Inhale. Slowly come up and bring the right foot back. Repeat on the other side. Turn the left foot towards the left side. Exhale. Slowly bend to the side and place the left hand just behind the left foot. Turn your head and gaze at the tip of the right middle finger. The right arm is straight in line with the left arm. Maintain the final position for 3 to 5 breaths with body awareness. Inhale. Slowly come up and bring left foot back. Exhale. Bring the arms down and feet together. Come to the starting position and relax. Garudasana, the eagle pose. In the final position of this pose, the body looks like that of an eagle, hence the name. Benefits: it strengthens legs and ankles, stretches the shoulders and upper back. It enhances coordination, stimulates circulation, and promotes mental clarity. Caution: individuals with recent knee, ankle or shoulder injuries or conditions like vertigo should avoid this pose. Stand straight with feet few inches apart and arms relaxed alongside the body. Now, raise the right leg, cross it over the left leg, and wrap it around from the front like a creeper. Now, slowly raise both arms up to shoulder level in front and cross the right arm over the left arm in front of the body and wrap them together. Stretch the body gently. Maintain the balance and hold the pose for a few seconds with normal breathing. Release the arms and bring them down beside the thighs. Release the legs and return to the starting position. Now, raise the left leg, cross it over the right leg and wrap it around from the front like a creeper. Now, slowly raise both arms up to shoulder level in front and cross the left arm over the right arm and wrap them together. Stretch the body gently. Maintain the balance and hold the pose for a few seconds with normal breathing. Release the arms and bring them down beside the thighs. Release the legs and return to the starting position. And relax. Padmasana, the lotus pose. Padma means lotus. The body takes the shape of lotus in the final position of this posture. Hence, its name is Padmasana. Benefits. Padmasana helps to induce mental calmness and tranquility. Caution. In case of severe arthritis, slip disc, knee injuries, and ankle pain, this asana should be avoided. Sit with both legs extended forward. Place the hands beside the body, with fingers pointing forward. Fold the knees. Place the right foot on the left thigh and the left foot on the right thigh. Ensure the knees touch the ground. Place the hands in Jnana Mudra above the knees. Close the eyes. Keep the neck and back straight and relax the entire body. Maintain this pose for a few seconds with normal breathing. Baddha Padmasana, locked lotus pose. Baddha means locked and Padma means lotus. The asana, Baddha Padmasana, is variation of the Padmasana. Benefits. This asana strengthens upper back muscles, shoulder, and opens chest. Caution. In case of severe arthritis, frozen shoulder, slip disc, knee injuries, and ankle pain, this asana should be avoided. Sit with both legs extended forward. Place the hands beside the body, with fingers pointing forward. Fold the knees. Place the right foot on the left thigh and the left foot on the right thigh. Ensure the knees touch the ground. Exhale. Move the right arm behind the back, closer to the left hip, and try to catch the right big toe with the right hand. Similarly, while exhaling, move the left arm behind the back, closer to the right hip, and try to catch the left big toe with the left hand. Close the eyes. Keep the neck and back straight and relax the whole body. Maintain this pose for a few seconds with normal breathing. Gently release the hands and stretch both legs forward into Shithila Dandasana. Relax. Vajrasana. Thunderbolt posture. This can be considered as a meditative posture. While practicing it for meditative purposes, one should close his or her eyes at the final stage. Benefits. This asana is good for digestion and strengthens the thigh and calf muscles. Caution. Persons suffering from piles should not practice this asana. Those who are suffering from knee pain and ankle injury should avoid this practice. Start with long sitting posture. Sit straight with the legs stretched out in the front, palms resting on the ground, fingers pointing forward. This is Dandasana. Fold the right leg at the knee and place the foot under the right buttock. Similarly, fold the left leg and place the left foot under the left buttock. Place both the feet in such a way so that the big toes touch each other. Position of the buttocks is in the space between the heels and the feet. Keep hands on your respective knees or thighs. Keep the back straight, gaze in front or close the eyes. Maintain the final position for 3 to 5 breaths with body awareness. When returning to the starting point, bend a little towards the right side to take out your left leg and extend it. Similarly, extend your right leg and return to the starting position. Relax. Ustrasana, camel posture. Ustra means camel. The body in this pose will resemble the hump of a camel, hence the name. Benefits. Ustrasana is extremely useful for defective eyesight. This is useful in relieving back pain and neck pain. It helps to reduce fat over the abdomen and hips. It is helpful in digestive problems. A word of caution. Those suffering from high blood pressure, heart disease, hernia should not practice it. Start with a long sitting posture. Sit straight with legs stretched out in the front, palms resting on the ground and fingers pointing forward. This is Dandasana. Fold the right leg at the knee and place the foot under the right buttock. Similarly, fold the left leg and place the left foot under the left buttock. Place the hands on respective knees and stand on your knees. Now bring the knees and feet a few inches apart. While inhaling, bend backwards without jerking the neck. Exhale. Place the right palm on right heel and left palm on left heel. Weight of the body should be evenly supported by the arms and legs. Maintain the final position for 3 to 5 breaths with body awareness. Inhale. Come back to kneeling position. Exhale. Sit in Vajrasana. Bend a little towards the right side to take the left leg out and extend it. Similarly, extend your right leg and return to the starting position. Relax. Bhadrasana, the firm or auspicious posture. Bhadra means firm or auspicious. Benefits. This asana helps to keep the body firm and stabilize the mind. Helps during pregnancy and relieves abdominal pain often experienced during menstruation. Caution. Avoid this practice in case of severe arthritis and sciatica. Note: if your thighs are not touching or are not close to the floor, place the soft cushion underneath the knees for support. Start with Vishrama Asana. Support the back with hands. Body should be relaxed in a long sitting posture. Sit straight with the legs stretched out in the front, Keep the hands beside the hips and palms resting on the floor. This is Dandasana. Now bring the soles to the feet together. Exhale. Clasp the toes with the hands. Inhale. Put your heels as close as possible to the perineum region. Maintain the final position for 3 to 5 breaths with body awareness. Exhale. Release the hands and stretch out the legs in the front. Support the back with hands. Relax. Shashakasana, the hare posture. Shashak means hare. The body in this pose resembles the hare. Benefits. This asana helps to reduce stress and anxiety. It tones up reproductive organs, relieves constipation, improves digestion, and helps to relieve back pain. Caution. Patients with osteoarthritis of the knees and acute backache should avoid this asana. Start with a long sitting posture. Sit straight with the legs stretched out in the front, palms resting on the ground and fingers pointing forward. This is Dandasana. Fold the right leg at the knee and place the foot under the right buttock. Similarly, fold the left leg and place the left foot under the left buttock. Place the hands on respective knees. Inhale. Spread both the knees wide apart. Place the palms between the knees. Exhale. Bend forward with arms outstretched and place the chin on the ground. Keep the arms parallel. Maintain the final position for 3 to 5 breaths with body awareness. Inhale. Come up and close the knees together. Bend a little towards the right side to take the left leg out and extend it. Similarly, extend your right leg and return to the starting position. Relax. Ardha Matsyendrasana, the spinal twist pose. It is the simple version of Matsyendra Asana. It is named after Yogi Matsyendranath. Benefits. This is good for adrenal glands, kidney, liver, and spleen. Caution. Must be avoided with severe spinal injuries. Sit with both legs extended forward. Place the hands beside the body with fingers pointing forward. Bend the left leg and place the left foot flat on the floor outside the right knee. Fold the right leg and bring the right heel near the left hip. Take the left arm back and place the left palm on the floor behind the spine for support. Inhale. Twist the torso to the left. Exhale. Raise the right arm up and bring the right arm around the left knee. Place the right palm beside the left foot. Keep the spine erect and shoulders relaxed. Gently turn the head to look over the left shoulder. Maintain this posture with normal breathing for a few seconds. Inhale. Return to the center and release the arms and legs. Bend the right leg and place the right foot flat on the floor outside the left knee. Fold the left leg and bring the left heel near the right hip. Inhale. Take the right arm back and place the right palm on the floor behind the spine for support. Keep the spine erect and shoulders relaxed. Raise the left arm up. Exhale and bring the left arm around the right knee. Place the left palm beside the right foot. Twist the torso to the right. Gently turn the head to look over the right shoulder. Maintain this posture with normal breathing for a few seconds. Inhale, return to the center, and release the arms and legs. Relax. Gomukhasana, cow face pose. Gomukha consists of two words, Go, meaning cow, and Mukha, meaning face. In this asana, the knees, thighs, and calves together make a form that resembles cow's face. Benefits: it enhances the respiratory health. It is useful in shoulder and neck pain management. Precaution: avoid this asana in case of joint injuries, acute pain in shoulders, and piles problem. Sit with both legs extended forward. Place the hands beside the body and fingers pointing forward. Bend the right leg and bring the right heel beside the left buttock. Now bend the left leg and place the left heel beside the right buttock. Keep the spine straight and sit evenly on both buttocks. Raise the right arm up. Bend the elbow and bring the right hand down behind the upper back. Simultaneously, bring the left arm behind the back and try to clasp the fingers of both hands. Keep the head and neck aligned with the spine. Breathe normally and hold the posture few seconds or as comfortable. Gently release the hands and stretch both legs forward into Dandasana. Repeat the same steps on the other side by switching leg and arm positions. Breathe normally and hold the posture few seconds or as comfortable. Gently release the hands and stretch both legs forward into Shithila Dandasana and relax. Makarasana, the crocodile posture. In Sanskrit, Makara means crocodile. In this asana, the body would resemble crocodile, hence this name. Benefits: this asana promotes relaxation of the whole body. It helps in the recovery of back problems. Caution: avoid this practice in case of frozen shoulders. This asana is practiced for relaxation in all prone postures. Start in Vajrasana. Slowly lie down on the stomach with feet together and toes pointing outwards. Place the chin on the ground. Stretch your arms forward. Open the feet apart with toes pointing sideways. Bend your elbows and rest the chin on the hands. Lift the head up and place your cheek on the hands. Close the eyes and allow the entire body to relax. Maintain the funnel position for 3 to 5 breaths with body awareness. Remain aware of the body and breathing. Bhujangasana, the cobra posture. Bhujanga means snake or cobra. In this asana, the body is raised like the hood of a snake. Benefits: this asana relieves stress and constipation and reduces abdominal fat. It helps to relieve backache and bronchial problems. Caution: those who have undergone abdominal surgery should avoid this asana for 2-3 months. Those who are suffering from hernia or ulcers should not practice this asana. Start with Makarasana. Now join the legs. Stretch your arms forward and rest the chin on the ground. Now place your palms beside the chest and elbows close to the body. Inhale slowly and lift the head and chest up to the navel region with the help of the spinal muscles. Keep the elbows parallel. Maintain the funnel position for 3 to 5 breaths with body awareness. Exhale. Bring the head down and rest your chin on the ground. Relax in Makarasana. Shalabhasana, the locust posture. Shalabha means a locust. Benefits. This asana relieves in sciatica pain and lower backache. It helps to reduce fat in the thighs and buttocks. And it is also good in weight management. It helps to improve the capacity of lungs. Caution. One should proceed cautiously in case of severe lower back pain. People with high blood pressure, peptic ulcer or hernia should avoid this posture. Start with Makarasana. Now join the legs and place both hands beside the body, palms facing downwards. Inhale and lift both the legs off the floor without bending the knees. Maintain the funnel position for 3 to 5 breaths with body awareness. Exhale and bring the legs down to the floor. Relax in Makarasana. Dhanurasana, bow pose. Dhanurasana gets its name from Dhanur, which means bow. In the funnel posture, body looks like a bow with the strings, hence the name. Benefits. Stimulates and massages the pancreas, helping in insulin regulation. Enhances digestion and metabolism. Improves function of liver, kidneys and abdominal glands. Strengthens back muscles. Improves posture and reduces fatigue. Caution. Avoid this pose if you have hernia, gastric ulcers or intestinal issues, recent abdominal surgery and severe back pain or spinal injury. Lie flat on your stomach in Makarasana. Gently bring your legs together. Raise your chin. Stretch your arms forward and rest your chin on the ground. Bend both knees and bring your heels close to your buttocks. Reach back with your hands and hold your ankles. While inhaling, lift your chest and thighs off the floor simultaneously. Gently pull your ankles with your hands so that your torso and legs lift, forming a bow shape. Keep your gaze forward. Breathe deeply and hold the pose for a few seconds, according to your capacity. Exhale and gently lower your chest, thighs and legs to the floor. Release your ankles and relax in Makarasana. Ardha Halasana, half plow posture. Ardha means half and Hala means plow. This posture is known as Ardha Halasana because in its final position, the body would resemble half the shape of an Indian plow. Benefits. This asana relieves constipation and is beneficial for hypertensive patients. However, it needs to be practiced under supervision. Caution. Those who have lumbosacral, that is lower back pain, should not perform with both the legs together. Avoid this practice In case of abdominal injuries, hernia, etc., lie comfortably on the ground with legs stretched out. Keep hands placed by the side and palms facing down. Inhale. Slowly raise both the legs without bending them at the knee and bring them vertical to the ground. The body from hip to shoulder should be kept straight. Maintain the final position for 3 to 5 breaths with body awareness. Exhale. Slowly bring the legs down to the ground without lifting the head. Relax. Naukasana, boat pose. Meaning, Nauka is equal to boat. Asana is equal to pose. In this posture, the body takes the shape of a boat. Benefits: strengthens the back muscles, improves body balance. Caution: avoid if suffering from hernia, heart conditions, recent abdominal surgery, and severe spinal or neck issues. Lie flat on your stomach in Makarasana. Gently bring your legs together. Raise your chin. Stretch your arms forward and rest your chin on the ground. While inhaling, raise your head, shoulders, arms, and legs off the floor simultaneously. The body should be balanced on the navel, forming a boat shape. Keep breathing normally. Maintain the position for few seconds as per comfort. Exhale and slowly lower the body and relax in Makarasana. Setubandhasana, the bridge posture. Setubandha means formation of bridge. In this posture, the body is positioned like a bridge, hence the name. This is also called Chatuspadasana. Benefits: it relieves depression and anxiety and also strengthens the lower back muscles. It stretches abdominal organs, improves digestion, and helps to relieve constipation. Caution: people suffering from ulcer, hernia, etc. should not practice this asana. Lie down on the ground. Stretch out your legs comfortably and place the palms facing downwards. Bend both the legs at the knees and bring the heels near the buttocks, while holding both the ankles as per your convenience. Inhale, slowly raise your buttocks and trunk up as much as you can to form a bridge. And maintain the final position for 3 to 5 breaths with body awareness. Exhale, slowly bring your hips down and straighten the legs in supine position. Relax. Pavana Muktasana, the wind-releasing posture. Pavana means wind and Mukta means to release or to make free. As the name suggests, this asana is useful in removing wind or flatulence from the stomach and the intestine. Benefits: it removes constipation, gives relief from flatulence, decreases the bloating sensation in the abdomen, and aids digestion. It generates deep internal pressure and improves stretching of the highly complicated network of muscles, ligaments, and tendons in the pelvic and waist regions. It tones up the back muscles and spinal nerves. Caution: avoid this practice in case of abdominal injuries, hernia, sciatica, and severe back pain, lie comfortably on the ground with legs stretched out, hands placed by the sides and palms facing downwards. Bend both the knees. Exhale. Bring the knees towards the chest. Inhale. Interlock the fingers and clasp the shin below knees. Exhale. Raise the head up until the chin or nose touches the knees. Maintain the final position for 3 to 5 breaths with body awareness. Inhale. Bring the head back to the ground. Exhale. Release the legs back to the floor. Lie down in supine position. Relax. Sarvanga Asana. Shoulder stand pose. Sarvanga Asana consists of sarva, meaning all or whole, anga, meaning limbs of body, and asana, meaning posture. It affects all parts of body, hence the name. Benefits. It helps in regulating functioning of endocrine glands, especially the thyroid glands. Improves circulation of blood. Caution. Avoid with high blood pressure or heart conditions. Lie flat on the back with legs and feet together in a straight line. Place the hands and arms close to the body with the palms facing down. Slowly raise the legs to the vertical position, keeping them straight. When the legs are vertical, press the arms and hands down on the floor. Slowly and smoothly roll the buttocks and spine off the floor. Turn the palms of the hands upward. Bend the elbows and place the hands behind the ribcage, slightly away from the spine to support the back. In the final position, the legs are vertical, together and in a straight line with the trunk. Relax the whole body in the final pose for as long as is comfortable with normal breathing. To return to the starting position, lower the legs over the head. Then, place the arms and hands close to the body. Do not lift the head. When the buttocks reach the floor, lower the legs, keeping them straight. Relax the body in Shavasana. Chakrasana, wheel pose. Chakrasana gets its name from the word chakra, which means wheel. In this asana, the body takes the shape of a wheel, hence the name. Benefits. It removes stiffness from the body and makes the spine flexible. Caution. This asana should be avoided in cases of weak wrist, high blood pressure, hernia, abdominal problems, and vertigo. Lie on your back, ensuring that the head and spine are aligned and the legs are straight with the feet together. Place the hands beside the body with the palms facing down. Now fold your knees and the heels touching the buttocks. The feet and knees should be few inches apart. Place the palms on the floor beside the head with the fingers pointing towards the shoulders. Inhale, slowly raise the body and arch the back with the support of arms. Straighten the arms and legs as much as possible and lift the head and trunk from the floor. Let the head hang between the straight arms. Hold the final position for as long as is comfortable with normal breathing. Exhale. Slowly lower the body so the head rests on the floor and then lower the rest of the body. Slowly place the hands beside the body and straighten your legs. Now split legs apart and palm facing upwards and relax in Shavasana. Shavasana, the dead body posture. Shava means dead body The final position in this asana would resemble a corpse or dead body. Sthiti, Shavasana, supine lying posture. Benefits. This asana helps to relieve all kind of tension and gives rest to both body and mind. The mind, which is constantly attracted to the outer world, takes a U-turn and moves inwards, thus gradually getting absorbed. As the mind turns quiet and absorbed, the practitioner remains undisturbed by the external environment. It is found beneficial in the management of stress and its consequences. Lie down on the ground. Open the feet apart, with toes pointing sideways and palms facing upwards. Close your eyes. Consciously relax the whole body. Become aware of the natural flow of breath. It will tend to become slow. Remain in the position until you feel refreshed and relaxed. When ready to release, slowly stretch your arm over the head and join the feet. Then turn by the side, either right or left, and come back to the sitting position with the support of the hands. Kapalabhati. Kapala means skull. Bhati means to shine or to cleanse. It is a cleansing practice which helps to clean the frontal sinuses and upper respiratory tract. Benefits. This practice purifies the frontal air sinuses, helps to overcome cough disorders. It is useful in treating cold, rhinitis, sinusitis, asthma, and bronchial infections. It rejuvenates the whole body and keeps the face glowing and vibrant. It strengthens the nervous system and tones up the digestive organs. Caution. Avoid this practice in case of cardiac conditions, giddiness, high blood pressure, vertigo, chronic bleeding in the nose, epilepsy, migraine, stroke, hernia, gastric ulcer. Sit in any comfortable position. Keep the spine and head straight with eyes closed. Place the hands on the knees in Jnana Mudra. Inhale deeply through both the nostrils till you start to experience fullness in the pelvic area and expansion in the chest. Expel the breath with forceful contractions of the lower abdominal muscles and let the inhalation be passive. Let us begin the first round of Kapalabhati with 20 strokes. Exhale deeply and relax. This is one round of Kapalabhati. Repeat 2 more rounds with 20 strokes each. Pranayama. Nadi Shodhana or Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Alternate nostril breathing. The main characteristic feature of this pranayama is alternate breathing through the left and right nostrils without or with retention of breath, that is kumbhaka. Benefits. The main purpose of this pranayama is to purify the principal channels of carrying energy, called nadis. Hence, nourishes the whole body, induces tranquility and helps to improve concentration, increases vitality and lowers the level of stress and anxiety. It elevates cough disorders. Start with sitting in any comfortable posture. Breath should be slow, steady, and controlled. Keep spine and the head straight with the eyes closed. Relax the body with few deep breaths. Keep the left palm on the left knee in Jnana Mudra and the right hand should be in Pranayama Mudra with the middle and the index fingers folded like this. Close the right nostril with the right thumb and exhale completely. Now inhale through the left nostril. Recognize the touch of air moving through your body as prana. Then close the left nostril with the ring and little finger of the right hand and exhale through the right nostril. Now inhale through the right nostril. Close the right nostril with the thumb and exhale through the left nostril. This is one round of Nadi Shodhan Pranayama. Repeat it for 4 more rounds. Shitali Pranayama. Shitali means cooling. It also means calm and passionless. As the name indicates, this pranayama cools the mind and body. It is specially designed to reduce the body temperature. Practice of this pranayama brings harmony in the body system and calms the mind. Benefits. This pranayama has a cooling effect on the body and mind. It is beneficial for persons suffering from high blood pressure. It satisfies thirst and appeases hunger. It relieves indigestion and disorders caused by phlegm, that is cough, and bile, that is pitta. It destroys the disorders of gulma, that is chronic dyspepsia, and spleen or other related diseases. It is beneficial for skin and eyes. Caution: those who are suffering from severe cold, cough, or tonsillitis should not do this pranayama. Sit in any comfortable posture. Keep the spine and head straight with the eyes closed. Place the hands on the knees in Jnana Mudra. Roll up the tongue and shape it as a tube. Inhale maximum air through the tongue. Take the tongue inside the mouth and close the mouth. Then slowly exhale through the nostrils. This is one round of Shitali Pranayama. Repeat it for 4 rounds. Bhramari Pranayama. Bhramari is derived from Bhramara, which means black bee. During the practice of this pranayama, the sound produced resembles the buzzing of a black bee, hence the name. Benefits. It relieves stress and helps in alleviating anxiety, anger, and hyperactivity. It creates a soothing effect on the nervous system and mind. It is a great tranquilizer and found good in the management of stress-related disorders. It is a useful preparatory pranayama for concentration and meditation. Caution: please avoid this practice in case of nose and ear infections. Sit in any comfortable posture. Keep the spine and head straight with the eyes closed. Place the hands on the knees in Jnana Mudra and inhale deeply through the nose. Exhale slowly, making a deep humming sound. Repeat 1 more round. Practice the Bhramari Pranayama with Sanmukhi Mudra. Using your index fingers, gently close your eyes. Then place the middle finger beside your nose without fully covering it. Place your ring finger on your upper lip and your pinky finger on your lower lip. Finally, rest your thumbs on your ears as demonstrated in the video. Inhale deeply through the nose. Exhale slowly, making a deep humming sound. Repeat one more round. Dhyana. Sit in any comfortable position. Place the hands on the knees. Close your eyes. Now adopt Dhyana Mudra and sit in a slightly upturned face. You need not concentrate. Just maintain a mild focus between the eyebrows and be conscious of your breath. Let them flow freely. Just observe the flow. If possible, let the thoughts dissolve.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।